Hello friends, today I will show you how to find the problem on your wash motor, or they call it rotor, on a fisher&paykel dishwasher. So I will show you how to find out if it's good or bad. This is a brand new one and this is the old one. Look at this. I'm gonna hold it in my hand and kind of spin it like this. See how hard is it I'm spinning it? And look at the brand new one. It's loose, smooth and loose. So this is a brand new one. It's working perfectly fine. And this is the old one. So if you don't know if your dishwasher is working or not, so for example, it's not washing, it's beeping or doing anything, the first thing you want to do is you remove the cutlery basket. This basket, you may want to hold it like this and kind of lift it up from the back and lift it up towards the front here. And then after that, you remove your sprayer. So the motor is usually like this. Is the old motor. It's usually located right here, just like that. And then of course it holds this part in place, just like that. So what you can do is, when you open the dishwasher door, spin it. It should not spin. See, I have to even press it against my finger. So it's a little bit issue here. To replace it, you open it like that. It's closed now, so you kind of open it like this and then lift this up. To remove the motor, you hold it like that and turn it. Keep turning it and it's gonna come out. And then of course bad. And then get the new one. The part number for the new one is 524185P. This is the part number. So look at these plastic tabs. You have opening here. There's one here, one there, one there. You want all of these three plastics to get inserted straight like that. Here, that's good. You do not turn it, you do not turn this until you put this part back in. So kind of line it up. Once it lines up, you also want to make sure the front is lining up here. Then close it back, just like that. And then of course don't, okay, so let me show you. See, freely it spins. This is a good motor. And then of course the same thing, you hold it. And let me show you the model and serial number. It's usually located right here at the bottom of the dishwasher, or it's located right here. And close it, turn it on. At first it's going to be noisier a little bit, but that's completely normal because the dishwasher has less water.